show you how to take care of your chickens. First, what you need is a chicken feeder and chicken water. The chicken feeder will look like this with little things at the bottom so your chickens can eat. Water will have a red part at the bottom and a clear part at the top, and a little hole that the water drains out of so your chickens can drink. Chickens have a special type of food that look like tiny brown pebbles. Just get a cup and dump it into the top of the feeder, and your chickens can be able to eat. To do the water, you unscrew the clear part at the top, turn it upside down, and fill it with your hose water as you're at your house. Then you turn it back, screw it back on, upside down still, and then turn it over and carefully bring it and set it on a brick so your chickens don't spill the water. And that is how you do your chickens.